Colbert County School System has deployed a new technology to help the district combat the coronavirus. Way 31's Brecken Terry is at one of the district's high schools to show us how this new process works. Brecken?
Yeah, guys, as students walk through these doors of Colbert County High School, they're greeted by this face scanner that can tell if you have a high temperature or not.
Normal temperature.
And we're done, and it clocks the time, it clocks the date.
Colbert County Schools Superintendent Gail Satchel showed us how the GoSafe works.
It's freestanding, it comes take the temperatures and the kids keep going. However, it does keep a tally of where everyone is, the individual. So if a person has an abnormal temperature, it will beep and then it'll notify the nurse and then she will come and take care of that person.
Satchel said they have 2 of these in all 8 schools. That cost about $50,000, but they used CARES Act funding to pay for the new technologies.
Well, we're most proud of not only that they're here for the pandemic, but also during flu season. So when students come in, the temperature can still be taken, the parents, guardians, any visitors that come on campus, it can still take their temperatures.
Now, if a student has an elevated temperature, they cannot come farther into the school and the nurse will come and assess them. Now, visitors will be turned away if they have a high temperature. Live in Leeton, Brecken Terry, Way 31 News.